Hey everyone, welcome back to my small YouTube channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel. Okay then, until now we have been working with the dataset where values look complete. But real world dataset is rarely perfect. Some students may not have entered the age, some records may have missing grades, and some others customers may not have provide their income. So today we are going to learn how to find missing values and how to handle them. And this entire process is called missing value handling. Let us see it in the practical way. Yeah. As usually, first of all, we have to load the dataset here. Load the dataset. And next, we have to see our dataset here. And here next one is to find the missing values. What? To find the missing values. And everyone has a doubt here. Wait a second. Yeah. Here NaN. It means it is not a number, but in pandas it is commonly used to represent a missing value. What? Represent a missing value. Now here let us find the missing values here in this data set. Here, if you want to find the missing value, we have to write like this: df dot isNull. What? IsNull. And this returns true or false. What? True or false. True means the value is missing, and false means the value exists. Okay? Here, unfortunately, our data set has no missing values because we got all false, right? If true means there are missing value. If false means the values exist. Okay? And the next one is counting the missing values here. What? Counting the missing values. This is much more useful. In on the time we have to write like this: df dot isNull dot sum. Now we can see clearly, see exactly how many missing values exist in every column. Here, unfortunately, we have zero missing values in the every column. And the next one is df dot isNull dot any. It will check whether any missing value exists or not. What? Exist or not. And this tells us whether each column contains at least one missing value. What? At least one missing value. If it returns false, what? If it returns false, it exists. If it returns true, there are missing values. Okay? And the next one is total missing values. What? Total missing values. Here the df dot isNull dot sum. Here the first sum counts missing values in each column, and the second sum adds those column total together. And the next one is removing missing rows. What? Removing missing rows. We can remove rows containing missing values by using the df dot drop na. And the next one is save the result. What? Save the result. See here, if you want to keep the clean data frame, we have to write like this: df equal to df dot drop na. Now df contains only rows without missing values. Now you have a question: why can't we use always this drop na? This is exactly this is extremely important because imagine, see, if there are 10 rows having missing values, and deleting those 10 rows is probably fine, it is okay. But imagine 1 lakh rows or 10,000 rows or 40,000 rows having missing values. By deleting them could destroy a huge amount of useful information. So we should not blindly use df dot drop na. Okay? And we first need to understand how much data is missing and why. What? We first need to understand how much data is missing and why. And the next one is filling the missing values. What? Filling the missing value. Instead of deleting a missing value, we can replace it. What? We can replace it like this. And the next one is filling with mean. What? Filling with mean. It means it calculate df of age. See here, df of age. Wait a second. Yeah, df of age equal to df of age dot fill an a of mean age. It means first df of age dot mean. It means it will replace missing ages with that average. What? With that average. And another one is filling with the median. We can also use the median here. And now we have a question. Why median? Median can be better when the data contains outliers. What? Outliers. Median can be better when the data contains outliers. And the next one is uh, filling categorical data. What? Filling the categorical data. We usually can't calculate the mean of GP and MS. Instead of that, we can use the mode for the categorical data. Here the mode. Wait a second. Here mode means the value that appears most frequently. What? Most frequently. Here when you find the missing data, or don't immediately delete everything. Okay, what? Don't delete everything. First you have to think like this. First, missing value, and how many missing values, and what type of column, and numerical or categorical. Why is it missing? Choose appropriate method and possible approach, and then delete rows or delete columns, or else fill with mean, or else fill with median, or else fill with mode. I hope you understand, and you will get, and don't worry about this. You will get clarity in our future projects. Definitely, I will give my best to help you. I hope you understand. Thank you. And in the next video, let us discuss the most important one, which is duplicates in the data sets. Okay. Thank you.